Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I will show you how you can create your own online e-commerce store using GoDaddy's WordPress managed hosting. And I have created this tutorial specifically for beginners who have never created a website before, and I will show you exactly how to do it step by step from scratch completely. I will show you how you can buy your domain name, which will be your website name, and how to connect it to your hosting, how to buy hosting and connect everything together, install WordPress, and then install everything required to run your e-commerce store on WordPress. So I will show you exactly how to do it. All you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions step by step without skipping, and you will be able to create an online store where anyone can buy anything from your website, your store, and they can pay online. You will be able to collect all payments online, and you can send them invoices. You can make print shipping slips. You can manage inventory and everything that is required to run an online store. So sit back and relax. This will be a bit long tutorial. All you have to do is just follow step by step. So let's start. Okay, just follow the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Here you can see all the available WordPress managed plans, and make sure you follow the link in the description because we do not want to buy shared hosting. We want the managed WordPress plans, and here you can see all the available plans. I would suggest you to go with the ultimate plan because it offers a free SSL certificate which other plans do not offer, the basic and deluxe, and this SSL certificate is really important for an e-commerce website. And once you have selected the plan, next you have to do is scroll down and select for how long you want to buy it. I would highly recommend you to go for 12 months at least because monthly plans are very expensive, and you also get a free domain with the annual plan, so that's an add-on. And then scroll down and you will see the other add-ons available. And if you are not going with the ultimate plan, which I showed you earlier, it has free SSL certificate. You will have to buy this separately and it will cost you extra. So I'll suggest you to go with the ultimate plan as that will offer more disk space and more visitors can come to your online store. And so once you have done that, because it is really important to get the SSL certificate, else your visitors will not see connection secure like this. Instead they will see a red cross, not secure, and then click on continue. And okay, now we have to do is step 2 is to get a domain name. So what is a domain name is basically it will be your online store name. So it's like google.com, amazon.com. So what you have to do is think a similar domain name. For example, I will select let's search if bestwpstore.com is available. Just enter it and then click on submit, and it will show you that sorry, bestwpstore.com is unavailable for this offer. So what we can do is try, so the domain which has been taken like amazon.com, which is already owned by someone, and if you search for domains like this, it will not be available for purchase. And GoDaddy will also show you some similar domains, but I want to warn you that do not buy a domain which has any trademark or copyright word because then you will get into legal trouble. Okay, and so select your store name wisely. For example, I will creating this for tutorials. Let's search for bestwpguides.com and see if this domain is available. And you can see here, yes, your domain is available, and guess what, it's free. So because I bought the annual plan, 12 months plan, I can get this 17.20, about 18 bucks domain name completely free. So what I will next do is click on select and continue, and then it will take you to the final page where you can review all the purchase, what you are going to purchase. Here you can see I have selected the basic plan because I'm just buying it for the tutorial purpose, and I can also change the term here for how long I am buying it here. And then you can see all the information, and with the annual plan you also get a professional email for 1 year. And then our domain name, make sure the spelling is correct because you cannot change it later or get a refund for the domain name, which is bestwpguides.com. so make sure that there's no spelling mistake. For hosting, there is a refund policy and you can get a refund. And the next important thing for domain is full domain privacy and protection. I would highly suggest you to get this because it is really important to protect your personal information like address, contact number, email from scammers. And once you have done that, just select continue and it will take you to the next page where you will have, if you're creating your website for the first time, you will have to create an account with GoDaddy, and it is very simple to do so. Just enter your email, username, password, or you can also use Google and Facebook to sign in. So I'm not going to show you the whole process. And once you have done that, it will take you to the payments page, and well, it is pretty simple. Whatever your payment method is, if you want to pay with card or if you want to use PayPal, whatever you prefer, just select that. Okay, so once you have completed the payment process, you will see the screen. On the right sidebar, you will see this notice that thank you for your order, and the order ID and a view receipt option. And this receipt will also be sent to your email ID, so a copy of everything will be available in your email also. And this account setup process will take a few minutes, like 4-5 minutes. I have fast forwarded it for you. And after the setup process is complete, you will see these two options: manually install WordPress, and second is to migrate your WordPress website. And since we are creating a new site, so we have to select the first option, manually install WordPress. So once you click on that, it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your username and password, which you will use to log into your WordPress admin area. So basically this will be used to log in to your e-commerce store. So it is very important to make sure that you remember the password. And okay, once you have selected username, password, select continue and save it. And the next step is to select the location for your website. You can read here, set up your site to run fast, and you can see GoDaddy offers you multiple locations to host your website. You can select a server anywhere located in the world. You can see here there are multiple options: Australia, Europe, Asia. So select a server which is closest to you and your visitors. Preferred will be your visitors. So I will select Europe, as I prefer Europe as it is kind of in the middle, so everyone gets decent speed, and and no one gets too much lag. And then you will see on the next screen, you will see all this option. This setup process will again take a few minutes, less than the previous setup process. And meanwhile, you can also read all the features they are offering. That GoDaddy will offer you just a temporary domain to initially set up your website. So it will allot you a temporary domain automatically, and I will show you how you can connect the domain we purchased. We purchased the bestwpguides.com, so I will show you in the next step how you can connect it to your website. And you can see here they also have good support. We have got your back. Have peace of mind that all your website data will be backed up every day, and it really depends on your plan. So make sure that you opted for a good plan which has this backup options, and they have more features available. The setup process is almost like 50%. Bit less than 50, but it is complete almost. And you can see here that they host this managed WordPress hosting. It has more power than the other normal shared hosting, and it includes file manager for uploading files and stuff, and it is built for speed. And you can see all the other features that you can read here, that why you should opt for managed WordPress hosting instead of the normal hosting. And you can see here they have extra, they have fine-tuned this hosting with caching, backup, and automatically updating all the WordPress plugins saved, so your website will always remain secure. I mean, the chances of getting hacked will be less. And congrats, your site is ready. So the setup process is complete, and now let's try visiting our website, or there's an option to explore dashboard instead. So first let's visit how our website looks right now. and you can see here it will automatically redirect you to the website. And you can see this is the temporary domain I showed you before. Okay, and I will show you again here that you see this is the temporary domain they have allotted currently to us, because we have not connected our main domain we purchased to this website yet, as it was not set up. So now we will do that. So for that we have to do is click on this option, explore dashboard, and from here you will say this, just scroll down and there is the first action center. The first option is to add the custom domain. Okay, just click on setup, and then in the drop down it will show you all the available domains in your account. So this is the domain we just bought, bestwguides.com. Click on attach, and this will take a minute or two to set up. Meanwhile, you can see all the details of your server, which WordPress version it is running, PHP version it is running, and the server location. You can see here I selected Europe, and this is the IP address of your server and all the details here. And you can see here the domain setting up process is going on, and it will not take too long, just a few more seconds, and that's it. It is done already. You can see on the right sidebar there is a notice that a success message that the domain has been attached to it. Okay, so now let's try to visit this domain and see if we can access our website on this domain. And voila, you can see that we can now access our website. So we have installed WordPress. Okay, and now let's log into the admin area of our website. And to do that, it is very simple. All you have to do is go to the address bar and type /login to your domain name. For example, this bestwguides.com/login. And here you will have to enter your username and password we selected before while setting up the hosting account. For example, I selected bestwp store, and just enter your password and log in. It is pretty simple to do so. I do not want to waste your time, so I fast forwarded it. And here you can see, let's again visit our website, see how it looks currently. You can see this is the basic WordPress installation and how it looks right now. And now we have completed 3 steps, that is purchasing domain, connecting hosting, buying domain hosting, and installing WordPress. And now the final step is to create an e-commerce store. So to watch, if you want to watch that, you will have to watch the part 2 of this video, in which I will teach you how you can create this normal WordPress hosting installation into an e-commerce store. So the link will be in the description, and you will probably also see an option on the screen right now to watch that video.